Mr. Bruton, distinguished guests, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to the 2012 CRANN Industry Showcase.
My name is Fiacre Sweeney. I'm from Medtronic Medical Devices business based in Galway. We are a multinational company headquartered in Minneapolis. We're actually working with CRANN on a number of projects looking at nano surface treatments and nano additives to materials to improve material performance in a number of different ways. Materials are really important from a medical device perspective, obviously.
CRANN has been engaged with Intel for many years on a number of different topics. Most recently now on some very, very small mechanical type devices, which will be devices of the future. We have staff here that are full-time researchers in the facility, and our general manager in Ireland is a member of the CRANN board. So we'll be very committed and engaged with CRANN. Expertise, world-class science, as simple as that. Intel can go anywhere in the world for its science. And we come here. CRANN's collaborative, it's good to work with, and that's an important competence to have as well if you do want to make progress on a topic.
Mergon is a technical plastics moulding company. It's an Irish-owned private company. What we're doing with CRANN is we're working to find the next generation of barrier materials for our fuel tanks. What they're providing is a lot of know-how. The lab environment that's here is fantastic. The equipment that allows you to monitor and look at how that particular grade of material is performing is very, very important to us. It's very important to our customers to have that comfort blanket there to know that, okay, this stuff is really working for us.
Now our future must rest on creating employment in strong exporting enterprises that are built on the back of innovation. And CRANN is at the heart of this sort of transformation.
In the way what we're trying to do is develop the next generation implants. With CRANN we're looking at novel polymers and novel strategies to make those polymers that will make them more durable, more resistant to wear.
Mark Millie Cork, which is a company in Carrigtwohill in Cork. It's a life science company, and we make products such as membrane devices and chromatography media, which is used in pharma and biopharma applications. Being able to access those world-class facilities and also the personnel as well in CRANN, combined with our own in-house experience and knowledge, increases our overall understanding.
So Alcatel-Lucent is a global equipment and service provider for telecommunications. Being able to work with CRANN gives us a whole other depth in our ability to be able to innovate in these areas. For us to do what we need to do on the nanoscale, we need to work with CRANN on the nanoscience side, on the nanoscale.
IPC was set up in 2008. We are a clean room compounder, and we're dedicated solely to the medical device industry.
And what CRANN offers us is the kind of test equipment, diagnostics, analysis that we could never afford as a company ourselves. CRANN is a very useful pool of expertise. One of our sales organisations in Germany, Velox, have actually come to CRANN to have some R&D done in Ireland instead of Germany on the back of the contacts we've made. So it's very much a two or even a three-way street in terms of developing contacts.